Why does your scanner show the P0615 engine code? What does it mean? P0615 is a diagnostic trouble code for starter relay circuit. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected an issue with the electrical circuit that controls the starter relay, which is responsible for engaging the starter motor when the ignition is turned to start. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Starter relay issues, wiring and connections, ignition system, PCM problems. Other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD-II equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in GM vehicles like the Chevy Equinox and Chevy Cruze. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.